Welcome, today I'm showing how to check battery health information into VIVO Y01. Firstly, open your Play Store and find Ampere application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Click yes, I agree, close and OK button. OK. So now I need to swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.